Hey everyone, this is Pharaoh Silver, the Pharaoh of Beer Money Finance, and yeah, this is a bonus Beer Money review for the month of May. This is going to be the start of a series of bonus Beer Money reviews on the third Wednesday of each month, and they will be for apps that I forgot to do and I have been meaning to do for a while, or if anyone requests a review for their own app. And yes, we have a few of these in the upcoming months. For this one, though, I was going to do this as far back as last year, but forgot, so let's do it right now. This is the review of Upside. Upside was founded in 2015 by two former Google employees, originally called Get Upside. The CEO for the last 9 years has been Alex Kinnear. It is a cashback app that offers deals for cashback for your necessities at gas stations, restaurants, and grocery and convenience stores. To receive your cashback, you can get it in one of two ways. So I'm just showing off a couple of the options right now. You see some of these offers that I have right here. I'm going to go ahead and just click on one of them. And what you do is you click on claim, and then with claim, you get the option of automatically reading your transaction to your from your credit card to Upside, or if you want to upload a receipt. Now, they recommend that you just automatically send data from your credit card transaction to them because that is the most convenient way, and you will earn based off the amount of cents per gallon that you have earned. So for example, if you fill up 10 gallons and let's say you fill up a regular here for 26 cents a gallon, then you will get back $2.60. If you spend $20, for example, for 30% cash back at a restaurant, you would get 30% of $20 or $6 back. They do not count tax, however. And that's pretty much it, y'all. The cashback rewards range from percent cashback for restaurants to money back for gas. The gas rewards in particular are very interesting since not many places are going to give you this kind of deal. The cashback rewards range from percent cashback for restaurants to money back for gas. The gas rewards in particular are very interesting since not many places will give you this kind of deal, and there are ways to stack it up with a gas rewards card as well. This is especially true if you use said credit card to pay for it. For example, I actually have Sam's Club's credit card, and with a Plus membership, I get 5% cash back on gas anywhere, and that is 5% off the original price. So I'm going to give you an example of what I do. Let's say I'm at Circle K, and the current price of gas is $2.99 a gallon, which is actually pretty close to this location's offer that I'm showing here. Now, I'm going to get 5% cash back from that, which is around 15 cents a gallon. I will also get, according to this, a 26-cent discount later on from Upside, giving me a combined discount total of 41 cents, meaning I would have ended up only paying $2.58 a gallon for my fill-up. Also, pretty often, they will have specials where you can get an additional 5 to 15 cents a gallon off fill-ups. Usually, they'll do a special here and there, or if you get a referral, and I'm going to go to the referral right now, actually. So if you get a referral, then you will get the option of either an extra 10% cash back on restaurants or grocery or convenience stores, or an extra 15 cents a gallon cash back on gas. I know it says and, but I believe that you can only get one or the other. The last time I did this, that's what they did. Now, if you want to take a look at the options to cash out, just click on the dollar sign up here, your balance, and you go to cash out, and they have many different options to choose from to get gift cards or just pay directly to your checking account or just go straight to PayPal. Now, one mention, there is no cash out minimum. However, if you cash out under $10, regardless, there is a $1 fee, and that includes other gift cards, not just PayPal or a check transfer. Now, Upside did have groceries a while back for me, but that tab seems to have disappeared as of late here regionally, likely due to profit margins in grocery stores being terribly low to begin with, and even a 1% discount would eat into that very small margin that most grocery stores have. However, I've heard reports that groceries are still available in selected areas, so do check that just in case. Over here, however, we have convenience stores instead. So these different convenience stores that you see here, you can just get percent cash back inside the store, anywhere between 8 to 18% for Circle K. And that's the only option we got anyway, but BP shows up really often as well. as well as some local gas companies. The main thing with Upside to know, however, is that it is going to depend on where you live. Like, for example, where I live, you have Popeyes as the main fast food place to go to, also Domino's and Jet's Pizza, and both of those are pretty solid places to go to, and as far as gas is concerned, Circle K and BP make up most of it here. Now, this might not be the case in your area. Taco Bell and Burger King have been in California that I've noticed, and KFC and Exxon are on the app in Maryland. It's going to be heavily dependent on what you can save on, and if you're interested in saving, but overall, it's pretty solid for what it does. So to the pros. Upside does give cashback on gas. This is a huge necessity, especially in the United States. Their referral program is quite healthy, and they provide pretty frequent bonuses on dining and gas that has allowed me to save upwards of 50 cents a gallon on gas or 45% on a restaurant. And yes, you can stack with coupons and credit card rewards. Turn that $11.69 three-piece tender meal at Popeyes, for example, to as low as $3.69 after all the coupons and discounts I use with Upside. The cons, though, selection will be heavily dependent on region. If you don't like the selections, you're probably not going to like this app unless you move. If the only option you have is to scan receipts, especially for smaller businesses, the receipt scanning is not always the best, and the threshold for cashing out without a fee is a wee bit high at $10. Though you can go below that but pay $1 doing so. Final rating, though, it's a solid green. Honestly, I don't think it's a top 3 app, but if it's not a top 3 app, it's definitely a number 4 or number 5 in my opinion. This app is solid and in the right place, should be a staple for anyone looking to make cash back. I've been finding myself using this more often than any other app outside of Atlas Earth or Free Cash at this moment, maybe Benjamin too, if I feel like turning on the ad button a lot more that day. This app is amazing, they've been around a long time, and they are very much legit. Seriously, high recommendation for me to go check it out. And that is the video. I left a referral link to Upside in the description below. If you use Upside, let me know in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video, and a big thank you to all of my Patreon insiders right there. If you want to check out our Patreon membership, we have Beer Money Raw, behind the scenes videos, and more over at the Patreon, patreon.com/beermoneynetwork. This is Pharaoh Silver signing out. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Beer Money Engine. I'm heading out, y'all. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.